My name is Tobago. I'm the head sailing coach for the Trinidad and Tobago Sailing Association. I've been sailing for the past 28 to 30 years. I've been teaching from beginner to intermediate to advanced sailing in 420, opti, and a bit of lasers. I love what I do passionately because you see when you teach a new skill and you see them develop and how they transfer it over to their everyday life, you know, it's very, very fulfilling to me. Classes for the Trinidad and Tobago Sailing Academy are available every day. For more information, visit our website. Discover sailing at TTSA.